Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm gonna show you what's in this box.
What is that?
It looks like a makeup box, but inside of this is not makeup. I don't wear makeup and I don't have a lot of makeup also. So tara, samahan niyo ako, buksan natin to. Let's go! Yes. Okay, there's a lot of stuff over here. Yes, it looks like really a makeup box. It is. But I decided to put most of my gadgets and the accessories for my gadgets because I love to put all my accessories in one place, so I know where to get stuff and I can bring whatever I want. So tara, let's do this. So first layer, I do have a lot of power sockets. Yes, why? Charging is life. When you are doing content creation or videoing or even, TikToking or having photo and video with friends and family, mahirap nang malobat. So, I do have this one just in case. Yeah. And then, of course, battery. This is AA. The second layer, it's most of the hirap naman ito. Ports for my external hard drive. So I have this SanDisk. It's a 2 terabyte SanDisk. This was given by my husband. I do have external hard drive as well. So this one is 500 gig. So this is a Seagate. And I also have Orico, Seagate din, actually, Seagate din. External hard drive, and this is 1 terabyte. After that, I have this connector for my iPhone to laptop. Yes, so this one. And also, I do have the verbatim USB cord for my laptop. So let's go to the right. The first layer is usually these are my Switch thumb grip because I have Switch, Nintendo Switch, and my earphone from Jabra. So this one is given also by my husband. And mics. This one is for my Sony, and then this one is for my DJI. So second layer are the batteries. So as you can see, I have 2 extra batteries for my Sony ZVE 10, and these are the charger. This is the charger for that connector ba. And then for my this is a charger also, charging port and a charger holder, storage for my Insta360 X3. So yan, my SD cards adapter. Yeah, so let's do the main storage. Dami. Okay, so this is a telesin. As you can, I think you saw this in TikTok or in Instagram or Facebook. For some other content creator, they were using this if you want to do POVs. So next is, I think this is 2 meter, if I'm not wrong. It's a Type C. Then next is a wireless charger. You can just put your phone here. Power banks. Just good Lord. Power bank tayo. Okay. This is 100 watts power bank. This is my husband's power bank. Then next is another power bank. Just good Lord. But the good thing about this power bank is you can straight charge it through a power socket. Okay, this one. This is the JW concept. So, it's a silver tech. And it has the, wait lang, nasa na yung ano. Ayan. It has a pen. Included na ang pen dito. Yes. Hindi, wala siyang magnet eh, pero yeah. Ito ay madalas kong gamitin, especially if I have to sketch something online, and then I have to sign some papers or documents through, you know, PDF file or... Okay, next is this one. Okay, what's inside? Ay, okay. I have USBs. The USB is live. Actually, bago ako magkaroon ng mga external, hoarding na ang lola nyo ng USB. Okay, next is tripods. This is my my DJI tripod. What I love about this is my controller na kasi siya. I bought it through Amazon. It's designed for DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Another, what do you call this one? Tripod or selfie stick. Yeah. So what I love about this selfie stick is hanggang dyan lang yan. Hanggang dyan lang, ganyan lang siya. Pero, ang nakakatuwa nito kasi niroskas mo lang siya, hindi ganun mo lang, nilalak mo lang siya, roskas mo, gano'n na, roskas mo ulit, ganun lang. And next is, okay, I do have another one. This is for the Insta 360. This is ayan, yeah. This is the invisible stick. Has two, I think so. Okay, this is my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. Before I bought my Sony, which is the one that I'm using right now, I use this Osmo Pocket 2 for all of my videos. Content to just family gathering or school or work and stuff like that. This is what I love. I also had before the Osmo Pocket 1. But hindi ko alam kung nasa na siya. Pero ang alam ko, pinigay ko na dun sa kung sino man siya. Ayun. And this is the holder, you know, the cover. You can put na the accessories, which is the Type-C, the iPhone, for the iPhone, and also the lens. This is the lens. Neat, diba? And magnetic yan dito. Sorry. I'm just gonna clip it here, and hello. Like that, you know. You just have, yan. Type-C din to, charge na siya separately. Yan. Yan ang aking DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So, next is my Insta360 X3. Alam ko may X4 na. But anyway, I love my 360. I bought this, I think early last year. And also, this one is from my DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I usually put it here because sometimes when I just want to do a video that I just want to put my phone and stand over there, I use this one. This is from my DJI. And it's pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit saan. I can even use it through my camera. Okay guys, so that's it. These are the things that's inside my storage box, which is a makeup box, but it became a gadget box for me. So I hope guys you like this. episode. So don't forget to hit the follow, like, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna see you again next time. Bye, guys.